Hello class, welcome back to our second session of our learning today, right? So as you know already, every Monday, second session, we are going to study our book is Listening Starter 2. So teacher want you to put our book right now on your table and don't forget your notebook and your pen. So are you ready everyone? Great. So today teacher will continue our lesson that you need 11 taking for a trip on page 74. So teacher want you to open your book right now on page 74 and just put it on your table first. Okay, so before we continue our lesson today, teacher want you to review some vocabulary first from the previous day. Okay, so now everyone, what is the thing that you can take it for your field trip? Okay, so now let's look at the whiteboard. So this one is the thing that when you have a field trip, you need to bring all of this one to go for your trip, right? So you can put all of this one in your suitcase. Let's have teacher to write the word of this picture. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, so what is this everyone? Okay, the big one that you can put a lot of things inside. Great. So the one that you can put a lot of things inside is suitcase, right? Okay, so teacher will write in here suitcase. Okay, so now let's look at this picture. Can you guess it? What is this everyone? This one is very important when you go to the beach. You need to wear this one because on the beach, as you know already, we have a lot of sand, right? So the best way that we need to wear for our foot is this one. What is this? Great. So this one is flip-flop, right? Okay, so teacher will write flip-flop in here. Flip-flop, right? Okay, so now let's move to another one. When you go to the beach, you need to put that one on your body to make your skin is not burned from the sunlight. What is that? Great. So that one is lotion, right? Okay. So teacher will write in here. Okay, so now let's look at this one. This one is the thing that when you go to swimming, after you swim, you go up and then you need to use that one to dry your body. What is that? Great. So that one is towel, right? Okay, so this one is very important. And now let's move to this picture. What is this everyone? Great, so this one is pants, right? Okay, that you can put this one into your luggage when you go for a walk, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next picture. What is this everyone? The one that when you want to see the night view but suddenly it's in the afternoon, so you need to wear that one to protect your eye. What's that? Great, is sunglasses, right? Okay, so teacher will write in here sunglasses, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next picture in here that you can use this one to wear for your field trip, right? Actually, when we have a field trip, we always bring our t-shirt, right? And this one teacher put a lot, so this one is clothes, right? Okay, so clothes. Closes. Okay, so now let's move to another one, the important one that when you travel, you don't want to listen to music, so you need a storybook, right, to read the story when we are traveling, so we not feel bored with our travel. So this one is book, right? Okay, so teacher will write in here. And how about this one? Everyone, can you guess it? What is this? Great. So this one is the one that when you go for a field trip, the important one that you know the location that you want to go is map. Very good. So teacher will write in here map. So now let's move to another one in here that very important for you, that they know about your nationality, about your name, about your age, about your citizen. So that one is passport, right? If we don't have passport, we cannot travel to go to another country, right? So, okay, so all of these one are important things that you need to taking that one for your field trip. So now let's move to our lesson. So let's open the book with teacher all together on page 74 that we will do some activity in our page is listening practice 2, right? So now let's open the book with teacher all together. Okay, so here is our page 74 that we have listening practice 2. So teacher have exercise A and exercise B. So exercise A, you need to listen and write note. And after that, exercise B, you need to listen again and answer the question. So right now, teacher will give the audio track for you that related with our exercise A and B. So now let's start listen with teacher all together.
A. Listen and write notes. Are you ready yet, Nicole?
No, I need a few more minutes to finish packing my suitcase.
What clothes are you taking?
I have 8 shirts, 5 skirts, and some socks. Do I need anything else?
And you'll need your passport. It's still in the drawer.
Thank you. That's very important.
Okay, so teacher know it already. You answer our listening already. So now let's check the answer with teacher all together. So now let's move to exercise A. Listen and write note. In Nicole's what is the word that we need to write? Great. The word that we need to write is suitcase, right? Okay. Suitcase. Okay. In Nicole's suitcase, 8 shirts or socks? Great. 8 shirt, right? So circle that one. Okay. Some skirts and socks. Very good. So teacher will write in here socks. Okay. And next her, the important one, what is that? Great. Passport, right? Okay, so this one is our answer for exercise letter A. So now let's move to exercise B. Listen again and answer the question. So now teacher will read. Number 1. What is Nicole doing? A. Cleaning her bag. B. Washing her clothes. C. Packing her suitcase. And D. Putting clothes in a drawer. So the correct answer letter A, B, C or D. Great. So the correct one is letter C. What is Nicole doing? So C, packing her suitcase. So now let's move to number 2. When will Nicole be ready? A, an hour. A, in an hour. B, in a few minutes. C, in a few hours. D, in the morning. So when? Great. So the correct one, A, B, C or D? Great. So the correct one is B, right? So we need to circle this one. So B is in a few minutes, right? Okay, so now let's move to number 3. What is in the drawer? So teacher will read A, shirts. B, pants. C, socks. D, passport. So what is in the drawer? Great. So the one that in the drawer is passport. So it's letter D, right? So this one is our answer for our exercise listening practice 2. So before we finish our lesson today, teacher want you to do some exercise more in our listening workbook. So please everyone open your listening workbook right now on page 44 with teacher all together. Okay, so here is our page 44. that we need to do listening activity. So we have exercise A, listen and march, and B, listen and circle. So teacher will give you the audio track right now that related with exercise A and B. So now let's start listen with teacher all together.
Unit 11. Packing for a trip. A. Listen and match. 1.
How many suitcases are you taking?
I have 2 suitcases full of clothes.
2.
Will I need anything else?
Yes, you'll need your passport.
3.
What are you packing?
I'm packing some summer clothes.
4.
Are you ready yet?
No, I have to pack a few more things.
5.
Please pack your swimsuit.
I will. I want to swim every day.
B. Listen and circle. 1.
I can't shut my suitcase.
2. You need to pack some socks.
3.
Are you packing any pants?
4. I put my shirts in the drawer.
5.
I give up. I can't decide what clothes to pack.
Okay, so teacher know it already. You finish your exercise activity already. So please take a photo and send it to teacher by personal telegram. So now it's time. See you again tomorrow. But reminder that tomorrow we have progress test too. So please read the book and review all the vocabulary, word and grammar also. So now it's time. See you again tomorrow. Goodbye.